Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Lauteus Shuffle double aces here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see, what do we have in the box. There is also like this tool, which is used to disassemble this guy. And then you just have this pretty cool Fidget toy, which is really interesting. I like it very much. This is called the Lauteus Shuffle, and this is the two aces. You can find the two kings and the blackjack, which is the ace and the king. This is a very interesting metal Fidget toy. It's not a spinner, it's just a slider, and slides to the side like that. And it has some magnets right here in the back, where you can see that they are, maybe like that you can see better. So you have 5 and 3, 8, and just 3 on this side, and they just create this pretty cool effect like that, and you just can keep this guy in the pocket and just play with it. And it has a nice haptic feedback when you fan the cards, let's say, and also like a nice sound. And it has 3 states, 1, 2, and 3, and it's nicely done. This is copper, and this is brass, sorry. And it's a very cool one. I think it checks all the 3 categories which I try to like in an object, like mostly knives, which are the look, the sound, and the feel. Because this guy looks good, feels great in the hand, and sounds like very nice. It's a really nice product, I have to say. It's not cheap. This is gonna be around $220, so not really cheap, but it's cool. It also has another feature, like it's a clicker like that, loud, and on this side just a little bit less loud, but also you know, it's a nice fidget toy. I like to keep this guy in my pocket and just play like that and annoy the people around me. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.